Ever wonder how websites remember you're logged in? It's all about sessions. But do you know what's the difference between using cookies and HTTP headers for sessions? Let's talk about cookies. Cookies are managed by the browser's storage engine. When the server sends a set cookie header, the browser automatically saves that data, and crucially, it includes that cookie in every subsequent request to the server. This is the browser's built-in behavior, and the server uses the cookie from each request to identify the user, hence maintaining the session. And now let's talk about headers. This is the modern API standard. Basically what happens is that the server sends a token that is usually a JWT in the response body, and the client side code must explicitly capture that token and store it within the browser local storage or memory and manually inject it into the authorization header for every server API call. And basically, this has become the standard for mobile apps and SPAs, single page applications, because it is not bound by cross origin restrictions. So what's the trade-off, you might ask? Well, for storage, cookies are automatic, while the headers are manual, where they have to be managed by the code. And while cookies usually point to a server-side session store, headers often carry a stateless, self-contained payload like a JWT. Finally, which one to use? Well, it depends. You can use cookies with security-related HTTP headers like secure and HTTP only to get built-in protection for traditional web apps. But if you're dealing with cross-domain architectures and APIs, you can use headers to get fine-grained control over the request lifecycle. This was day 6 of Pentacode.net.